guys, how's it going? I'm Collin Ayres with Bosch Rexroth, and we're here at the Assembly Show 2024. Today we're going to be showing you a little bit about our brand new line of 7-axis collaborative robots, our Castle robots here. So we have 5 models, anywhere from 5 kilos to 18 kilograms of payload, and anywhere from 850 millimeters of reach to 1800 millimeters of reach. All 5 models have 7 degrees of freedom to add an extra flexibility and added ease of use within a programming environment. This is our smallest robot, our KR810 here, and on the end of it we have a Spin Robotics screw driving end effector. We're here on the Spin Robotics booth, so I will pass it over to Teit here to talk a little bit more about this application and what we got going on with our Castle robot and our Spin Robotics end effector.
Thank you, Collin. Well, we've specialized in doing a collaborative screw driving system. We've made it super simple to set up a program. We do that by just dragging the robot into position. We have a teach pen here. The system has the ability to actually change bits on the way, so we can use different screw systems or screw types. We need a presenter, of course, to see where the screw is each and every time. And as you can see here, the system inserts screws. Now it unscrews the just inserted screw. What is very important is that it's a safe collaborative system. Could you pause it, Arthur? Safe means that I can actually work together with it in the same workspace. That can be showcased here. If my hand should be in between, I can scoot it up and then get whatever is in between free, and that makes it actually a solution which can work together with a worker in the same workspace. So we're inserting screws here, and in doing that we can monitor the torques. We're doing that on the spin interface. The spin bridge is actually the system in between, and on this system I can store more than 3,000 programs of different products I want to insert screws to. And here I have all the data from the screw insertions with timestamps, torque, angle, everything I need to document that I have a perfectly assembled part. The data can be withdrawn using a companion called OPC UA. It's an open protocol, and that makes it super easy to use, safe to use, and what's not to like.